Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get Mac computer like quick file preview on any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by opening a file explorer. Suppose I have some files. In order to see this particular file, I need to double left click and open with some program or anything, right? So it's not a quick preview. So in order to have a quick file preview similar to Mac computer, what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search, just search for the application name as search for Windows, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you can see the official website of this applications. So you can see here below download. So I'll highly recommend to get the free version before purchasing the paid version. So just get the free version, as the free version will be enough for you. So just click on it to start downloading the free version. So just click on download. Wait for a few more seconds until the downloading gets started. So the download has been started, so you need to wait for a few more seconds until the complete downloading is done. So the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double left click it to run the software installer. Now just click on next to proceed with installation. Just click on install. Wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally you can see the software has been installed. So click on finish and wait for a few more seconds until it gets started. So finally you can see here some instructions. So you can see here it's a straightforward. So you can see here, select your file and press space key. So in your computer keyboard you need to press the space key to quickly preview any files or folders on your respective Windows computer, which will act similar to the Mac computer like quick file preview. So before proceeding further, just go to the app settings. So here you can see in the system tray menu, just right click on it and let us go to the settings. So under the settings you will see some options, like under the general tab you can see like runs here at the system startup. So if you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer, then just enable it. You can enable it. So right now I will not enable, so you can enable it if you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer. And the second option is the controls. So under the controls you will get some options. Keyboard, under the keyboard, what are the shortcut keys you can customize or you can edit depending upon your needs. And for the folder, there are some shortcut hotkeys, that is a keyboard keys. For image you can see here, for media and for PDF files, and for common, for every file you can use this shortcut keys to access like file properties, focus global like Control Alt S, then you can see Reveal in Explorer, and so on. So the next step is a plugin. So here you can add some plugins, and the below is a type, and the last one is the advanced. So these are the options you may get under this applications settings. So now let me open a file explorer and say I want to quickly preview some files. So let me show you. So here are some picture files, right? So what you need to do is just select the respective file, and now after selecting the file, just press the space button on your computer keyboard to quickly preview it. So you can see here it quickly previews and it shows in the enlarged thumbnail size. So you can just press the space button again on your computer keyboard to move back to the default size. So let us maximize this and let us select the other picture file and once again hit the space button on your computer keyboard. So you can see here, so you can just click the or press the left and right arrow to view the next file. So these are all about the files. So what about the folder, right? So let us try to quickly preview this folder also, what's inside this folder, right? So just select the folder and once again just press the space button on your computer keyboard Now you can see it will quickly preview it what are the files inside these folders also. So it asks for any files and folders too. So in my opinion, you will get exactly the same Mac computer like quick file preview using this very useful yet tiny application name as here. So definitely a very cool application that you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.